Hello and welcome to another Do It All Yourself video. Today's video is actually an informational video about Toyota Siennas that are equipped with the jam protection function on windows. So recently I've had to replace the car battery on my 2015 Toyota Sienna. I'll leave a link below for that video. And after I was done with that project, none of my windows were actually opening from the driver's side panel. So I'm talking about this panel right here. None of the windows here were actually working. I was not able to open anything. The reason for that is after replacing a car battery, or in the event that the window was jammed, the jam protection function will kick in and the windows will not be opened normally unless they are reset. So I'm going to show you how to reset the jam protection function on every window. And in the event that you did replace your car battery on a Sienna that's equipped with jam protection, you will have to reset the jam protection function on every window. So I went ahead and did it for two of the windows. I'll show you how to do it on one of the windows. So if you run into this problem, you know how to reset it. Let's get going. Okay, so first thing you want to do is turn your engine to the on position. You do not have to start the engine, but you do need to have the electric system started. So once you're in that state, you're able to actually open windows. I can open the driver's side window. I can open it in the one touch mode, which is when you want to set it to a specific spot like that, or in the auto mode where you just click all the way and it goes. I can open the sliding door, the passenger side sliding door window. So here is that. The reason why I'm able to do the passenger side sliding door is because I reset that one. But let me show you the passenger side. Here it is. Nothing. Can't open the passenger side window or the sliding door window, passenger side sliding door window. The reason for that is these two have not had their jam protection function reset. So I will show you how to reset the jam protection function. And to do that, I'd have to reset it on the exact primary window switch, not the driver's side main panel. So to reset the passenger side, for example, you'd have to use the passenger side switch. So let's do that. So I'm in the passenger side. The window is still usable in the one touch setting from the passenger side itself. Notice that the auto mode, where it opens or closes all the way, is not working. If you have the auto mode not working, that's an indication that the jam protection function has kicked in and it does need to get reset. Now, to compare, at this state, after replacing the car battery, since I did not reset this window, I'm able to operate this window from the passenger side, but from the driver's side window panel, I cannot. Okay, so to reset the jam protection function on a window, what you need to do is go ahead and use the one touch. So don't click it all the way. One touch and close it all the way. Then wait 4 seconds in that state. After a minimum of 4 seconds, release the button. Then one touch, open the window all the way. And with the window open all the way, wait a minimum of 1 second. Then release. Now, go ahead and close the window all the way in the one touch position. And then hold for 1 more second, then release. So at this point, the jam protection function has been reset. So you should be able to click the auto setting and it should open all the way. And there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and close the window all the way. So that's now functional. Okay, once this window has been reset, its jam protection has been reset, I should be able to go to the driver's side panel and operate that window. So now it's closed. And as you can see, I was able to open the passenger side window all the way from the driver's side panel. So out of the 4 windows in the car, after replacing my car battery, I was able to reset 3 of them. I'll go ahead and reset the passenger side sliding door just to give you another example. Okay, another example. I'm in the passenger side sliding door. So I'm going to go ahead and check that I can still operate this window from its switch. Close. I can open it. I'm going to try the auto function, which opens or closes all the way. Non-functional. So again, that's an indication that the jam protection function has been kicked in, or in my case, I had replaced the car battery, so it got reset, it got triggered. So we're going to go ahead and reset this jam protection function on this window in the same manner that we did with the passenger side window. So first of all, hold it in the one touch position and close it all the way. Close all the way. Now hold for a minimum of 4 seconds. Then release. Then go ahead and open the window in the one touch position all the way. Wait for 1 second, then release. Then we're going to go ahead and close it. Hold for 1 second, then release. So at this point, the jam protection function has been reset. We should be able to open and close that window normally. So I'm going to try the auto function, which is 2 clicks. And here we go. Auto function open works. Auto function close works. Now the jam protection function has been reset. And at this point, I should be able to operate this window from the driver's side window panel. So as you can see, it's pretty simple to reset the jam protection function on a window. So if you can't operate the window, don't panic. You do not need to take your car to your dealership, and you don't have to buy anything expensive to do it. You just have to be aware that there is this jam protection function on the windows. And really the intent of that function is if a window is being opened and closed and there's something on the way, what will happen is the window will actually auto open a little bit. If you're trying to close it all the way and there's something in the way, it'll open back a little bit from that spot. It's a safety mechanism that is in the windows of the Toyota Siennas. So it's good to know that there is this jam protection function. If you happen to replace the car battery like I did, again, don't panic. I kind of had a little minor panic after I replaced the car battery. That went really well. And I was like, oh, I messed up my windows. And then I kind of started thinking about it. And then I remembered that there's the jam protection function. So after resetting all the windows, you can operate all windows of your Toyota Sienna from the driver's side window panel. That's why I want to put this quick video together to let you know what happens on a Toyota Sienna with a jam protection function if it does get triggered. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.